we started one project. Jobs related application. In this one, first home page I displayed already. Home page view, index.html. This page is responsible to display the starting page. Next page is not implemented. Just I have to create models, make migrations, admin panel. I registered. Pie chart. So here home page all are available there. Model class admin.py index. Just to run this. (930) cd jobs py manage.py run server. Server started. Copy the address. Go to the browser. This is the starting page ready. If you go to the admin panel, Hyderabad jobs, there is no records. I have to insert the records by using Packer module. Present no jobs, nothing. If I want to click on Hyderabad jobs, it is pointing to the hash symbol. I want to display one HTML page. HTML page can be displayed by views. In the backend, table also ready. ఎక్కడ పెట్టాడు దీన్ని Sorry, this is the MySQL client. Inside 1, 2, 3, 4 is the password. Show databases. మన database jobs db. Use jobs db. Show tables. Tables already available. This is the fields and their data types. Select star from no data, empty. So here also there is no data, 0 jobs. First of all, I want to read and display to the file. Then I have to insert the data. View is the responsible to display the HTML page. So take one view. Def Hyderabad jobs view. First argument request. How to read the data from database? Model name dot objects dot all. What is your model name? Hyderabad jobs. It is available in models. So from import is required. From test app dot models import Hyderabad jobs. So Hyderabad jobs dot objects dot all is the function. Now jobs list. Send this to HTML file. Okay, jobs app. Because our app is jobs app. Send this to the HTML. Create one dictionary. mydict equal to jobs underscore list colon jobs underscore list. Return render request comma stapp slash Hyderabad jobs dot html comma mydict. So I'm reading data from the model and created dictionary forwarded. This is the today continuation use.py. Now HTML file is required. So take one HTML file, go to pie chart, right click, new HTML file, Hyderabad jobs. Okay, jobs app. ఇప్పుడు in the HTML file, I have to write the code. Hyderabad jobs. First, percentage, load, static. Link the CSS and our file jobs1.css. Copy after title, add these two. In the body, I want to provide a h1 tag. Close this. Hyderabad jobs information. అసలు ఫస్ట్ క్రియేట్ URL up to here execute if it is working. Go to URLs. Copy the URL. Hyderabad jobs. Hyderabad jobs view. This Hyderabad jobs, you can go to the index. Wherever Hyderabad is there in the href, give this one. Come to the browser. Refresh. Click this. Hyderabad jobs information. Now read the data display. Come to here. In this, if jobs are available, percentage. If what is the key I can provide it from here? Jobs list. If the values are available in this one, if jobs underscore list, write the code. Ledu, else. If jobs are not there, actually there is no jobs. I want to write else block. Paragraph tag. Sorry boss, no jobs. No jobs in Hyderabad. End if. Nadi. End if. So if jobs are available, I can create table values. Else it will be printed available there. Sir, here I want take some ID and a colors కోసం స్పెషల్ పారాగ్రాఫ్. ఒకవేళ జాబ్స్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఐ వాంట్ టు క్రియేట్ వన్ టేబుల్ డిస్ప్లే ఆల్ ద జాబ్స్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ జాబ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, క్రియేట్ వన్ టేబుల్. వదిలి తీసుకుందాం. టేబుల్ బార్డర్ 3 pixels. ఇన్సైడ్ టీహెచ్ ఉంది. ఓకే, డన్. ఇన్సైడ్ ఇది రాదు. టేబుల్ హెడ్ డేట్ 2 3 4. టైటిల్ కంపెనీ ఎలిజిబిలిటీ అడ్రస్ ఈమెయిల్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్. సో అదిగోండి, ఇఫ్ జాబ్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్, ఏ టేబుల్ క్రియేటెడ్, టేబుల్ హెడ్డింగ్స్ డేట్, కంపెనీ, టైటిల్, ఎలిజిబిలిటీ, అడ్రస్, ఈమెయిల్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ టేక్ ద come outside here, take one for loop. I want to read each and every job. For each job in jobs underscore list. Once all the jobs printed, close that. End for ఈ మధ్యలో write your code. So Because every job in the jobs I have to provided display that jobs TR inside TD curling brace job dot date 2 3 title company 4 job dot company job dot title job dot eligibility job dot address job dot ఇంకోటి కావాలిగా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ table row for loop table all are done. So now చూడండి first Hyderabad information if it is available there this total code will be executed table created each job reading printed అసలు అక్కడ జాబ్స్ ఏం లేవు కాబట్టి టేబుల్ నాట్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఓన్లీ ఎల్స్ ప్లాట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ సారీ బాస్ నో జాబ్స్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ విల్ బి ప్రింటెడ్ కమ్ టు హియర్ అక్కడ ఏమి జాబ్స్ లేవు కాబట్టి క్లిక్ ఆన్ హైదరాబాద్ జాబ్స్ టెంప్లెట్స్ ఉంటాయి 33 ఎండ్ ఫర్ ఎల్స్ ఎండ్ ఇఫ్ ఎక్కడో ఎండ్ ఇఫ్ క్లోజ్ చేయాల ఫర్ క్లోజ్ చేయాల ఇది ఫర్ ఎల్స్ ఎండ్ ఇఫ్ క్లోజ్ అయింది కదా ఇంకేంటి బాధ ఫర్ జాబ్ ఇన్ జాబ్స్ లిస్ట్ టేబుల్ రో ఎండ్ ఫర్ తర్వాత టేబుల్ ఇన్ ఫర్ ఓహో సారీ కర్లింగ్ బ్రేస్ బదులు అది పడింది రీఫ్రెష్ ఇదిగోండి నో జాబ్స్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ కరెక్టే ఇప్పుడు హౌ టు ఇన్సర్ట్ ద జాబ్స్ ఇఫ్ ఐ ఇన్సర్ట్ ఎనీ జాబ్ మాన్యువల్గా ఒక జాబ్ ఎంటర్ చేద్దాం ఏదోటి తర్వాత బై యూజింగ్ దట్ మే 1st కంపెనీ నేమ్ టైటిల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్ ఎలిజిబిలిటీ బీటెక్ అడ్రస్ మెయిల్ ఐడి ఫోన్ నెంబర్ సేవ్ కమ్ టు హియర్ రీఫ్రెష్ ఇదిగోండి డేట్ కంపెనీ టైటిల్ ఎలిజిబిలిటీ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో జాబ్స్ సెలెక్ట్ డిలీట్ deleted come to here refresh no jobs in Hyderabad. So how to insert data by using faker module I can add multiple jobs into that file. ఇది HTML file. So now how insert to dummy data to the this one? Already deleted. There is no data, no jobs. Go to backend, zero objects. Come to here, no records. So create one Python file. Any file name you ever wish. My file name is populate.py. In this, I have to write the code to add the dummy details. Come to here, create in the main project folder because execution purpose it is very simple. Only the main project folder. Right click, go to new, a Python file. File name, any name. My file name is populate.py. Here, this .py file is created manually. How the Django knows about this? Go to WSGI, add these two lines, import OS, set the environment variable. Import OS is the module. Set the settings. Next, Django module. Inside Django, there is one function will be there, setup. This is the predefined settings to convey this populate.py to the Django. ఇప్పుడు next faker module, class name, all those are from faker is the module, import faker is the class. From jobs app dot models, import class name is Hyderabad jobs. Phone number generation purpose, random module, import star. Create object to the class, faker with parentheses, give the reference variable fake. Done. Imports already completed. How to generate phone number? Already I explained. Def phone number generation, one function. I have to generate one random number. Rand int is the function 6, 9. It is generated 6 to 9, one random number. That is the first digit. Convert this one to the string number equal to empty string, plus str of d1. Because if it is the string, then only concatenation will be happened. Otherwise, sum of the 10 numbers it will be displayed. So 6 to 9 one number came. Inka 9 digits kavali. So for I in range of 9. 9 times loop is running. Number plus equal to same function rand int of 0 to 9. But problem ఏమో ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ అనేది స్ట్రింగ్, ఇదేమో ఇంటీజర్. Convert this one to str. Then number generated added to this one. Return the number. Return integer of number. This is the phone number generation function. Write our own function. Def populate of n. What is the n? Well, I can ask from the keyboard. For I in range of n. N number of times loop is running. So here how many columns are there? Date, company, title, eligibility, address, email, phone number. Total 7 columns are there. Generate dummy details. First date. F date. Fake date. Fake is the reference variable pointing to our object. Fake dot. What is the function? Date. One fake date will be generated. Second one, fake company. Fake dot company. Title. Fake title kada. Fake title equal to. Here I have to take in the multiple titles, project manager, associate manager, team leader. I have to select one value, fake dot random underscore element is the function inside elements equal to give the 1, 2, 3, 4 some titles, project manager ani. First title project manager, team lead, software engineer. ఇందులో ర్యాండమ్గా ఒక టైటిల్ విల్ బి సెలెక్టెడ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద ర్యాండమ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫంక్షన్. ఆఫ్టర్ ఎలిజిబిలిటీ ఫేక్ eligibility, same fake dot random underscore elements equal to ఏదో ఒక క్వాలిఫికేషన్స్ బీటెక్ కామా ఎంటెక్ కామా ఎంసీఏ సమ్ పిహెచ్డి and one more main qualification, now also eligible. Fake address, fake dot address is the function. Fake email id, fake dot email is the function. Fake phone number, call this function. What is the function? Phone number generation. So all 7 columns ready. Fake data generated, title, eligibility, address, email, phone number. I'm calling the function, the number will be stored here. How to add this one? Model name. What is our model name? Hyderabad jobs dot, the method is get or create Hyderabad jobs class name dot objects dot get or create. You can define your original column. Original column is date. Our dummy column is fake date. Second one, company. Company equal to fake company. Title. Title equal to our fake title. Eligibility. Fake eligibility. After eligibility, address. Left side table columns, right side our generated data. Fake address. Email. Fake email. Phone number. Fake phone number. So in this model class, all the objects will be created. Come outside the function. How many records you want to enter? Input. Enter number of records stored into n. Convert into integer. Call the function populate of pass n. Print with f string. F with string inside curling brace. N number of records inserted successfully. If everything goes fine, it will inserted. Stop the server. Py populate.py. Enter number of records 1 inserted. Go to backend. ఇందాక empty ఇదిగోండి ఐడి సో అండ్ సో ఇక్కడ ప్రాపర్గా లేదు. రన్ ద సర్వర్, కమ్ టు హియర్, రిఫ్రెష్. డేట్, కంపెనీ నేమ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్, ఎలిజిబిలిటీ బీటెక్, కంపెనీ అడ్రస్, మెయిల్ ఐడి, phone number. Come to here, refresh. One. ఇంకా if I want to add multiple, stop the server, populate.py, add the 50 records, inserted successfully, run the server, go to backend, refresh. 51 objects are there. Come to here, refresh. All the jobs are available. And ఇక్కడ ఈ కంపెనీకి మై స్టూడెంట్ అయితే ఎలిజిబుల్. ఇది అట్లా. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ పూణే నో, బెంగళూరు నో. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రై రిమైనింగ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద హైదరాబాద్ జాబ్స్. ఫ్రమ్ ద డేటాబేస్ ఐ ప్రొవైడెడ్ ద డేటా. ఇది populate.py కోడ్. Next chapter, fifth one, working with Django forms. Working with Django forms. General, what is the purpose of the forms? For example, I have to take the facebook.com. Here one form is there, login form. What is the purpose of this login form? The main purpose of the forms is it is accepting data from the end user and it is accepted from input from the end user. Maybe validation purpose or maybe the storing purpose, something purpose. First of all, it is accepting input from the end user. Then we can go with the forms, whether it is a login form or registration form, sign up form, feedback form, anything. This form is for validation purpose. Once I'm entering username and password, once you click on login, valid, invalid, it is checking. If both are valid, login will be successful. Invalid, it will give some error message to the end user. Suppose one more form came, create an account, sign up form. It is also accepting data from the end, but it will be stored for future purpose in the database. Whatever emptying data, the data will be stored into database. At the time of login, it is checking the data is available, not available. If available, login will be successful. Otherwise, error message will be displayed. So, the main purpose of form is accepting input from the end user to take user inputs. Login form, station form, inquiry form, feedback form, so many are there. From the forms, we can read end user provided input. From the forms, we can read end user provided input data and we can use that data based on our requirement. That is, we may store in the database for future purpose. We may use just for validation or authentication purpose. Here we are using the Django forms, not HTML. By using HTML also we can create forms. But not the HTML forms. HTML also you can use, no problem. But advantage is Django forms are very simple, easy to implementation. Without writing any HTML code, by Python class, I can implement at the forms. The HTML, you have to write each and every code, form tag, input tag, buttons tag, all this. But I have to write a Python class. That class can be converted to one form. How model class converted to one table? Same forms.py converted to one form. Django forms over HTML forms. చూడండి ఇక్కడ whenever you creating table in the back end, I'm not written single code of SQL. Just I can implemented a class of Python. Same అలాగే ఇప్పుడు కూడా I have to implemented one Python file forms.py. Instead I have to take one Python class. I'm not written single HTML code. This Python class can be converted to one form. Maybe login form either. I have to define the fields. Name, ఒక text box, password, one more text box, button, submit button. A Python class can be converted to HTML. How model class converted to one table? Same story ikkada kuda. I am not written any HTML code, Python class. ఏమున్నాయి fields? Two fields ఉన్నాయి. So take the two fields, name, password, character field. It is created the form. First one, we can develop forms very easily with Python code without any HTML. We can generate HTML form widgets or components like text area, email, password, etc. Validating the data will become very easy. processing data into Python data structures, list, set will become easy. Creation of model based forms will become easy. What is this of model based form? I will tell. A model class can be converted to database table. A form class will be converted into HTML form.